Hello children, welcome to the economics class of 2nd PUC. In continuation with the third lesson production and costs, in this session we are going to learn about the different types of costs. So as the lesson itself says that we are learning about the production and costs, this explains you about the various types of costs that are incurred during the process of production. So, the costs are divided into two: explicit costs and implicit costs. Explicit costs are those expenditures spent on the accumulation of factor of production, for example, rent, wages, etc. And these are shown in the books of accounts, wherein the implicit costs are the costs of factors of production owned by the producer himself. If the producer owns his own land, then that cost is reduced to that extent. The investment is reduced to that extent. And the examples are land, raw materials, etc. And these implicit costs are not shown in the books of accounts. So again, these costs are classified into fixed costs and variable costs. The fixed factor of production remains constant and variable factors of production remain altered during the process of getting the output. These fixed costs are also called as supplementary costs and overhead costs. They are incurred during the process of producing an output, and these are the fixed factors of production. For example, land, building, machinery, interest on capital, etc. Wherein the variable costs are the expenses incurred on the variable inputs. For example, to gather raw materials, laborers, electricity bill, etc. we call them as variable costs. So again, the major classification of costs is the short run costs and the long run costs. So when we were learning about the law of variable proportions in our previous session, we learnt about the short run and the long run. So here short run costs is nothing but the costs incurred during a shorter period. Children, as you all know, the costs of the production is more in the case of shorter period than the longer period, because during the shorter period all the costs that we are going to incur is going to be more, because we have to get the output within a limited time. So now let's move towards the different types of short run costs. There are 7 different types of short run costs. These are total fixed cost, total variable cost, total cost, average fixed cost, average variable cost, average cost, and marginal cost. So there are 3 long run costs, and they are money cost, real cost, and opportunity cost. So now let's see about each one of them. That is, first we are going to learn about the 7 types of short run costs. The first short run cost is total fixed cost. It is nothing but the total money spent on the fixed factors of production in the short run. This remains constant at all the levels of output. Total fixed cost is obtained by deducting total variable cost from total cost. The second one is total variable cost. It is the total money spent on gathering the variable factors of production in the short run. The total variable cost is obtained by deducting the total fixed cost from total cost. The third one is total cost. This is the aggregate money spent on gathering all the factors of production to produce a given level of output. Now let's move towards the average fixed cost. Average fixed cost is the cost per unit of output. Average fixed cost is calculated from dividing total fixed cost from output. Next one is average variable cost, that is the variable cost for the per unit of output. That is average variable cost is calculated from dividing total variable cost from the total output. Sixth one is average cost. Average cost is the cost per unit of the output produced. That is, average cost is calculated by dividing total cost by the quantity produced. And seventh one is under the short run cost, the last one is marginal cost, that is nothing but additional cost incurred to produce an additional output, that is calculated by deducting total cost by n minus 1 from total cost of n units. So now let's move towards the long run costs. There are only three types of long run cost. The first one is money cost, second one is real cost, and the third one is opportunity cost. Money cost is one which includes all those expenses of the producer expressed in terms of money. That all these expenditure which are expressed in terms of money are called as money costs. Second one is real cost. When a cost is expressed in terms of physical or mental efforts put in by a person in the making of a commodity, it is the real cost. It includes the efforts, services and sacrifices put in by different factors of production. This concept was introduced by Alfred Marshall. Children, you should remember that for 1 mark they can ask you who introduced the concept of real cost. It is Alfred Marshall. And the third long run cost is that opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is the one which was popularized by American writer Professor Harbler. It is the cost measured in terms of revenue earned by the factors when it is employed in some other alternative jobs. That is when they are making use of another opportunity. So these are the three types of long run costs, and with these short run costs and long run costs we are going to learn about the costs of production, and we are having a 6 mark question to answer, which is a sum and which asks you to calculate the total cost, average fixed cost, average variable cost, average cost and marginal costs, and even it may include the question of calculating the total fixed cost also. In our future sessions we are going to learn about the same. Thank you children.